guys, guess where we are? We are at KFC.
I know we've been given a tour to them places, so we're there same way.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
And Bobo's sleeping, Little Island. So yeah, we're just gonna get a feed.
Yeah.
And some potato and gravy for Little Island. I know it's probably not a good thing, but you know, it's what I can give him right now.
Yeah, and chill out for the day, you know the vibes.
Yeah, and just chill.
Yeah.
Alright, we'll catch you soon. Later.
Yeah, guys. Blessings. So guys, we're here now.
Hi guys.
They're at the pier.
So what they call it, the pier.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we just bought some KFC.
Yeah, KFC. You know the rest of them not to do them things still, but yeah, we are gonna do it today. So
Yeah.
yeah, with Chica and Little Island there asleep.
Mm-hmm.
You see me? And guys, just check out the view.
Just beautiful, guys. Absolutely.
Check out the view.
Absolutely.
It's amazing. Yeah, so we are going to chill here for some time. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what's
Out
up.
of the house.
Yeah.
Vibes.
Like it?
Yeah.
Love it?
Beautiful.
Yeah. We have memories here too, right?
Very much memories.
Yeah.
Good memories.
Because
And
right
our
down
ice
there,
cream shop's
guys,
open
there's
too.
a little board deck right down there. We used to come and chill.
Over night time, which we're gonna do
Yeah, definitely.
more often.
Yeah, guys. So that are the vibes, you see me? I'm
Yeah,
thing.
yachts.
Tell you, it's super beautiful and quiet over here. And we can go have ice cream after we're done.
Yeah, after KFC.
Yeah.
We're having a cheat day today.
Yeah. So what we buy again, babes? You remember what we buy?
What do you mean?
What we bought at KFC.
A big meal deal and a small meal deal and potato and gravy. Which is that there.
Yeah, so that's what's up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Let's have a look and see inside of it. See what I've got. Yep. So that's the 2-piece feed, and the other one that you got is a 3-piece feed.
Yeah.
Yay.
Cool.
Vibe, guys.
Gonna try it out. You know, I'm not too familiar with them things still, but yeah, that's the vibes, you see me? Yesterday. Let's go.
Peace, guys.
Alright.
Hey, guys. Daddy, Bobo. Island, want ice cream? Maybe get him a small ice cream. Island. Oh yeah, Bobo. Hi, Dada. Hello. Hello. Hi. You like coming to the park, huh? This is where Mummy and Daddy used to come before we had you.
True.
Actually, before we made you. Yeah. This is where we used to chill out. The ice cream place.
That's a cool island breeze.
That's the island breeze.
Who like you know?
Yeah, guys, so we're like throwing food into the sea and watching the fish scold it, eat it all up. And I realize there's rats here too, guys. I'm a bit scared of rats. Because we all know where there's a rat, there's trouble. Like 6ix9ine, the rat. Yeah. Alright, let's get some ice cream.
We get a thumbnail, even though we have time still.
A thumbnail? Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright.
Of course. Just find it. Hey, Bobo. Bobo. You know, look.
Yes, guys.
I think that's it.
So guys, we're here. We're gonna get ice cream. Oh, you got them in the
You
bag.
have an eyeball?
Oh, whereabouts?
I
Whereabouts?
think I know side part. The side.
Side pocket? Okay. Oh, we forgot our masks, guys. So you get our masks.
You're gonna have to help me out.
You alright?
Yeah.
We good?
Hello.
Hello. Is that for me? The sanitizer? Ooh, guys, we got some nice flavors. What are your flavors?
Alright, we have coffee, chocolate, strawberry, vanilla, and coconut.
Okay.
I get that one, yeah.
The strawberry?
Yeah, strawberry.
One scoop?
Yeah, one.
No, no, chocolate.
Come outside and cheer with yourself.
Yeah, cakes too, guys.
You're gonna give me a tip. Alright, ready? You have a good day.
Okay, now pop this.
Starting to melt now.
Yeah. Yeah, well, listen, man.
There you go, guys. It's big ice cream.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. Just hold this a bit. Let's fix him. I think that guy just took that seat. I was saying it seems like it's gonna happen.
Well, I know she's been rude like that because Baba.
Look at his mouth.
Because last time we came, that same lady was rude to us.
Yeah, it's her. It's
Same her.
Same.
Yeah. Same lady. Oh, he loves it. He loves it, guys. Oh, you gotta eat quick because otherwise.
Not these chairs. That one is better to sit on. Cooler. Alright guys, so we have some potato gravy right here. And look on this bird now. Watch how we are gonna left it for a second and look where I go on. Babe, look. It's coming. Lick a teeth, you know?
Slowly.
Watch out.
Slowly but surely.
Teeth, you know? I'll go up there now.
Oh no, he's trying to heard of them. I've heard of them.
No.
They're all coming for the potato and gravy.
Yeah.
Get out of here, bugger.
Go!
Anyways, guys, just real quick, I just did a survey for the Ministry of Tourism, and so, you know, I just voiced my opinion of what I think of Port Antonio, but in general, you know, I love this place. It's beautiful, and like I said to her, I would live here if I could. So that was good.
Choo.
Yeah. Geez, that deck broke pretty bad. Doesn't look very safe. They need to fix it for real though. Babe, I put my phone back in my bag, didn't I?
I think so. Afternoon. Let's be them too.
Ooh, we're gonna drop you in there. You ready? Yeah, go swimming. Hmm?
Yeah, go up these days, I don't trust it.
Come, bring him over here, babe. The sun. Wow, guys, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. Hey, Bobo. Island. Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to sing. Island, 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 island. Island, 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 island.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so we're here
Yeah. We have to take.
chilling.
Turn around the
Up
other
the
way.
deck.
Probably this will be a mad thing.
Yay!
Like this.
Woo! Hey guys, what's up? So guys, we're here still at the deck, what we call, Babe calls the pier, I think.
Yeah.
Pier.
Pier.
So I'm just going to show you, this building is like antique as hell.
Yeah.
So
You can call it farmy building.
mhm.
Yeah. It's pretty Asian. Look at it.
It's pretty ancient, guys. It's ancient as. So guys, just remember, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, comment,
Yeah.
like the video.
You know the vibes. Do the right thing.
For real, we're the island family.
Yeah. I think he said it's upstairs. I don't know where upstairs.
So antique though, like years and years. This has been, what do they do there? Training institute, now registering for full-time and part-time evening and weekends. What courses do they do?
I'm not sure what they do there.
Early childhood. That got on camera, that went on camera.
Gotta go across the road.
Tailoring, speech, hospitality. Introduction to Spanish,
Yeah.
marketing, sales. There you go, guys. I got like skills and stuff that people can do. Courses where?
I think it's somewhere.
Yeah. Okay. Up here, baby.
Yeah.
So we're going to the fishing store, guys, where we're bound to get a fishing rod because me and Babe want to go fishing with Island.
I'm trying to find it. I don't know where exactly
Wow, this building is so old, guys. I've never been up here before.
it is. Not sure where.
Take this number.
Oh, it's right here.
It's right here. No master entry. Oh, they're at lunch. So, oh, they got spear guns there. We can always come back another day.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so yeah, it's closed. They're at lunch at the moment. Getting really hot and sweaty.
I've never been there.
Oh, they do hair extensions and that. Nice. Oh, they fix clothes there. They're so close. There they do hair extensions.
Yeah.
You buy them first and then get them weaved in. Phone shop?
I'm never been to that.
Really? Do you want me to hold him? How about we put him back in the belt thing?
Yeah,
All right, put him on me then, yeah.
let's see if there's a fresh thing, some fresh air.
All right. Oh, well, it's nice to, it's leaking. So, because it's such an old building, you're going to get those cracks in the wall. And so, yeah, that's what it is. Wow, look at the sea from here. It's so pretty.
So here now, guys, inside farm building. We're just gonna pick up a few stuff and then head home and see it. So yeah, we're gonna kick right now. We're really loving it. So this is the view. It's the ocean right there. So we're in night tour. Yeah. And over here. Wagwan cheap, are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm relaxing. This breeze is beautiful,
Yeah,
guys.
that kick, we love it.
Jamaica is beautiful, guys. If you ever get the chance to come here, come. It's
Yeah.
absolutely nice. You know, it's worth every penny.
Sure. Yeah, guys, so that's it, you know. Yeah. Finish up this vlog at home. Yeah. Alright. Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, guys, so we're in our taxi now.
Yo,
About to go home. Yeah.
Going
Town
home.
is pretty busy, guys.
Mm-hmm.
Really busy.